Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. In this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CVSE and WBBSE solutions of all subjects. Students, today we are starting with the new batch of class 6 and we will start with the chapter Algebra. So let us start with exercise 11.1 of your book. Students, in this particular question, it is asked to find out the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. So I think you know what is the meaning of a variable and a constant. A constant value, for example 2. If I say 2, that means it is 2. But in case if I say the value is 2a, here we have the variable a. That means a can take any value. We can say a is equals to 2. So you will get 2 into 2. This value will be 4. Again I can say that a is 3. If I say in this 2a, a is 3, that means this value will become 2 into 3, that is 6. So the value of variable changes, therefore it is called variable. And on the other hand, the value or the constant or the numerical value doesn't change, it is fixed, therefore those are called constant. And here you need to find out the pattern for the letter T first. So let us see how we are going to solve this particular sum. My dear students, I will ask you a question before starting this particular solution because this is going to help you out. My dear students, if we add 2 for 3 times, what we will get? We will get 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. And some students will say, we are adding 2 thrice. So 2 into 3, we will get 6. Yes, this only I wanted to know. So if we are adding 2 thrice, that means it will be 2 into 3. Now if I add 2 4 times, then you will get here 2 into 4, that is 8. If you add also, you will get 8, and if you multiply 2 with 4, you will get 8. Similarly, if you add 5 2's, then you will get 5 into 2 or 2 into 5, 10. So this will help you to understand this particular problem. So as in number A, as you can see, we have a pattern of letter T as written like this one and this one. No joining between this line and the line here. So here as you can see, these are the matchsticks. Then we need 2 matchsticks like this to form a single T. And if I say that we are making 2 T's, then how many matchsticks we will need? This 2 plus this 2. Again if I say that I am making 3 T's, then how many matchstick will I need? We will need 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 matchsticks. Now if we add this 3, we will get 6. Okay, so or if we multiply 2 into 3, we will get here 6. So this is the value of matchstick, and this 3 is number of time or frequency of T appearing here. So now if I ask you to form a rule for the pattern T, and we need to use a variable because we don't know how many T's we are going to draw, then what will be the formula or the rule of finding out the number of matchstick? We know 2 are there, that is 2 matchsticks are required, and how many T's are formed like this, we don't know. It will vary according to the question. So we can take any variable for this frequency. We can take n. So 2 into n, you will get 2n. You can take any variable. You can take n, a, b, anything, small letter, anything you can take as a variable. So as 2 matchsticks used in each letter T, so the formula or the rule will be 2n. Similarly, let us see the next one. So here we have Z. Here the Z is written like this. That means we need 1 to 3 matchsticks. So if we say that we have 2Z, so we will use 2 3's. If we say that we need 3Z, so we will need 6 plus 3, that is 9 matchsticks. So here the number of matchstick in each letter Z is fixed, that is constant, that is 3, but how many z are there is not constant, that is variable. So we can take it as 3 into n, that is the frequency of arrival of this z. How many times z will be made, or how many z will be made. So this is the formula, that is 3n. I think it is clear to you. Let us see the next one. Next one, as you can see, is U. For forming a single U, we need 3 mastic. Similarly, if we draw or make a pattern of 2 mastic, then we will need 3 plus 3, that is 6. And if we make 3 U's, then we will use 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 mastics. Means it is like this. If we add this, you will get 3 into 3, that is 9. So we are multiplying how many mastic are required in single U, that is 3, and number of U's, that we don't know. We are assuming it to be n or anything. You can assume any variable. So 3 into n, you will get 3n. So this is our final answer. Next one, we have the letter V. So for forming a single V, we will use 2 mastic. Now if we make the pattern of 2 V's, then we will use 2 plus 2, or 2 into 2, 4. Okay, here 2 for the mastic and 2 into 2, that is 1V and 2V. So 2 into 2, 4. Now if we say that we are making 3 V's, then you will get 2, that is constant, into 3. That is 6 will be the answer. Now if we say 4 V, then 2 into 4, you will get 8. But we don't know how many V, so we will just write 2 into n. That is the number of times the letter is formed. So here 2n will be the answer. Next one is E. For forming a single E, as you can see, we need 5 mastics. Now if we make 2E, then you will get 5 into 2, 10 mastics are required. Now if we make 3E, so 5 into 3, 15 mastics will be required. If we make 4E, 5 into 4, 20 mastics will be required. But we don't know how many E's are made. So this 4, 3, 2 means the number of times we are making E is not constant. We don't know the value, so we will assume a variable, that is n. So 5 into n, you will get 5n. Now let us see the next one, that is S. For forming a single S, as you can see, 5 mastics are required. So for forming 2 S, you will require 5 into 2, that is 10. Now if I say that you need to make 3 S, so 5 into 3, 15. That means the number of mastics used in a single S, that is 5, into how many S is being made, which is variable. We will take it as n. So 5 into n will be 5n. As you can see, we have written the answer like this. And lastly, we have the letter A. So for forming letter A, as you can see, we need 6 mastics. So for making a single A, we need 6 mastics. Now if I say we are making 2 A's, then you will need 6 into 2, 12. Now if I say that we are making 3 A's, so 6 into 3, 18. So this is the number of mastic and this is number of A we are forming. But here we don't know how many A's are being made. We need to find out the formula. So 6 into n will be our answer. So 6 into n means 6n. So my dear students, I hope this particular sum is clear to you. And as you can see, here I have given you the solution. So pattern for letter T is 2n as 2 mastics used in each letter. Pattern for Z is 3n as 3 mastics used in each letter. Pattern for U is 3n as 3 mastics used in each letter. Pattern for V is 2n as 2 mastics used in each letter. Pattern of E will be 5n as 5 mastics used in each letter. pattern of letter S will be 5N as 5 matchsticks used in each letter. And lastly, the pattern of letter A is 6N as 6 matchsticks used in each letter. So finally, what is the conclusion? We are multiplying the number of matchsticks required in each letter into N. N is the number of letters we are forming, which is variable. We don't know how many T we are forming, how many Z we are forming. So we are writing the formula like this. So my dear students, I hope this particular sum is clear to you. As you can see, sum number 2 is your homework. You try it out to solve this particular sum at your home. We will be discussing this sum in the next class. My dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. My dear students, if you want to get any solution of any topic, you must visit our channel. There you will find the playlist and all the videos will be arranged according to your needs. And if you don't find anything, you can comment. Bye bye students, have a nice day, stay safe.